Good morning, boys. Hope all are good by the grace of Almighty. Boys, you all got the routine of your upcoming exam. Our ICT exam will be held on 3rd December. Okay? Not the 4th December. The date is 3rd December. The syllabus of ICT is full book and pattern of question is 15 MCQ. Okay, the pattern of question is 50 MCQ. I hope you all will be prepared well for the upcoming exam. So, let's start today's class. In the previous class, we completed the chapter 1. Now we start the chapter 4. The name of chapter 4 is My Writing and Accounts. Name My Writings and Accounts. After completing this chapter, we learn about many things of word processor and spreadsheets. Okay, we learn about word processor and spreadsheets. So, let's start. In this chapter, we read after besides reading, we also see some practical things. Okay. Writing is a medium of expression. We have to write for different needs. Each might be a piece of literature like poem, short story, novel, diary, etc. In our daily life, we have to maintain different kinds of accounts, both big and small, like expenditures of daily necessities, house rent and result sheet of examination, etc. Once writing and keeping these accounts are very difficult, but now we have a lot of softwares for doing these works due to the development of information and communication technology. These softwares are called office softwares. These softwares can be used in our desktop, laptop and smartphone. We have word processors for writing and spreadsheet analysis software. We have got a preliminary idea about this in the previous class. Now we will get advanced ideas regarding these topics. Okay, writing of anything means bringing the imaginary world to reality in words. We know that human beings started the art of writing to communicate their thoughts and their ideas and convey their imagination to others. Now ICT is being used in this work, and the importance of word processing is immense in this regard. Something written is required for receiving and presenting information on television, mobile phone or computer. Now all types of writing are done by the help of the word processor. The word processor provides lots of facilities in terms of writing, look, any correction in writing can be done immediately because of the varieties of editing options. Any piece of writing can be presented aesthetically. A piece of writing can be presented in different ways, for example by enlarging or shortening the font size, coloring, making boxes, etc. Okay, there are facilities of inserting new paragraph, deleting parts or rearranging the whole writing without composing the piece of writing from the beginning. A document can be more attractive by inserting photographs, graphs, tables, charts, etc. A document can be saved and used again at any time. The same work needs not be done repeatedly. Any part of a document can be copied to another one if necessary. It is possible on work with several documents simultaneously. By using find replace command, a word in a big document can be found and replaced quickly. When a document is needed for a repeated use, it can be saved as template to avoid the wastage of time. For example, if it is required to prepare a lab report every week, it can be saved as a template. In a large document such as a research paper, tables, references, images, bibliography, etc. can be inserted and edited within a very short time. Spelling errors can be corrected easily by the spell checker. Automatic correction of spelling is also possible in the word processor with its built-in programs. It is possible to print a document as many times as required by saving it. A document can be sent to any destination through the medium of electronic communication. Files prepared in the word processor can be preserved easily. File management, an indispensable part of the modern office management, has become easier for the word processor. Besides, the word processing software provides more facilities. The number of users are gradually increasing day by day due to its usefulness. Okay. In the previous class, we learned the process of creating and opening a new document in the word processor. Now we learn some new technique for which we need to use your knowledge and skills we have developed earlier. Office button and its options. A new window will open after running Word 2007. This icon at the left corner above this window is the Office button. The option you will find by clicking the button are shown in the following images. If we click this button, we will see the following options are most important. We'll see these buttons. New. This button is to be clicked for opening a new document. Open. It is to be clicked to open a document saved previously. Save. To save a document, this button is to be clicked. Save as. This button is to be clicked to save a document in several different names, keeping the original one. Close. This button is to be clicked to close an opened document. So, boys, let's to see on computer. So, first we open our computer. From computer, we click on start button and we see the Microsoft Office Word 2007. Okay. Now we click on it and the Office Word 2007 has opened. Okay. Look, left side icon. Look, left side icon. This is Office button. Okay. When we click on it, we saw some option. Look, new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close. Okay, boys, can we see this option? Isn't it? Okay. In the next class, we learn many things of word processor. Okay. No more today. Thanks to all.